Now, where the day before, drywall is to be installed on all the walls and the ceiling, and this is the last chance to be sure that everything that needs to be in the walls is in the walls. Some of those things, and a little checklist for you there, includes all of the electrical, both for your wall outlets, wall switches, as well as light fixtures, all of your plumbing, both drains and water lines, and of course the heating and cooling system itself. You need to also consider any cabling that's needed for television and computer lines. Also your telephones and possibly speakers that you may want to install even at a later date. It's a good time to put all the speaker wire in. And another good idea, particularly in the bathroom, is to install any blocking that may be needed behind the walls to support any towel rods or any safety bars. Now, after all of that's completed, then your building inspection officials need to come out and make sure everything was done properly. Then it's time for insulation. Here we installed insulation in the attic area overhead using bats, and of course we installed insulation in all of the walls, both the exterior walls and the interior walls, to prevent any sound from transferring from this room to the adjacent room. Now at this point, we're ready for the drywallers.